over 30 years, Sisttemex has been dedicated to building the backbone of electrical infrastructure across the Americas. We specialize in the design, manufacture, and hot-dip galvanizing of high-quality steel structures for the utility sector. Our expertise includes transmission towers, substation structures, and custom steel solutions that support the reliability and expansion of power grids. At the heart of our operations, the largest hot-dip galvanizing plant in America, ensuring world-class corrosion protection and long-lasting performance. Every project we deliver combines engineering excellence, state-of-the-art manufacturing, and a deep commitment to safety and quality. Sisttemex. Design, manufacture, hot-dip galvanize. Trusted for 30 years. Together, we power the future of electrical infrastructure.